How to speed up computers. Keep your computer in a well-ventilated area to prevent overheating. Clean the dust and debris from your computer regularly using compressed air. Use a surge protector to protect your computer from power surges. Shut down or restart your computer regularly to clear temporary files and refresh the system. Install reliable antivirus and anti-malware software to protect against security threats. Keep your operating system and software up to date with the latest updates and patches. Uninstall unnecessary programs and files to free up disk space. Use a solid-state drive, SSD, for faster performance and increased reliability. Regularly back up your important files and data to an external storage device or cloud service. Avoid eating or drinking near your computer to prevent accidental spills. Use a screen protector to prevent scratches and damage to your display. Clean your keyboard and mouse regularly to remove dirt and debris. Be gentle when handling your computer and avoid dropping or mishandling it. Use a laptop cooling pad to maintain optimal temperature during heavy usage. Avoid exposing your computer to extreme temperatures or humidity. Optimize your startup programs to improve boot times and system performance. Defragment your hard drive regularly to optimize file storage. Use a password manager to securely store and manage your login credentials. Enable a firewall to protect your computer from unauthorized access. Avoid visiting suspicious or potentially harmful websites. Be cautious when downloading and installing software from untrusted sources. Scan external storage devices for malware before connecting them to your computer. Use an uninterrupted power supply, UPS, to protect against power outages and fluctuations. Avoid placing heavy objects on top of your laptop to prevent damage to the display. Clean your computer's fans and vents to ensure proper airflow. Adjust your power settings to optimize energy usage and battery life. Use a password or biometric authentication to secure your computer. Disable unnecessary startup services and processes to improve system performance. Avoid running too many programs simultaneously to prevent system slowdowns. Regularly update your device drivers to ensure compatibility and stability. Perform regular disk cleanup and disk optimization to maintain storage efficiency. Enable automatic software updates to keep your application secure and up to date. Minimize the number of browser extensions or plugins to improve browsing speed. Keep your computer physically secure by using a lock or security cable. Use a high-quality, stable internet connection to prevent network-related issues. Educate yourself on safe computing practices to avoid falling victim to scams or phishing attempts. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more content. Do not forget to view cleaning tools for computers in links below.